welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a installation video on how to slay this wig right here. I know I have to expose myself every single video and tell you guys that I'm wearing a wig because, you know, that's my job. But if I didn't tell you that, would you know? Would you know? Would you know? Yeah, so this video is going to be in partnership, not sponsorship, with Eva's Wigs. I'm going to be doing the full run through from start to finish on how to get this wig to look like this. Even the half up part, even though it was a struggle, I'm just going to give you my tips, my thoughts. This is me wearing it about 5 days in, I believe. So, or is it 5 days already? I think it may be 3 or 4 or 5 days already, so I can give you guys a pretty good review. I've had it in my head, I've worn the hair, I know what it feels like, I know what to do. You guys, I got you. So check the description box for the link to the wig, and make sure you keep on watching if you're interested to see how to install it and how to get this look right here. Well, I just put some Got To Be Free spray on my head and just laid it all down. So now we are going to try to get the same color as our forehead so that when we put the wig on, it'll be seamless. So what I like to do is take a little brush. I like to take some liquid foundation on the back of my hand. You don't want to put it directly from the tube to this because then it'll leave little odd spots, and you don't need a lot. And then I'm gonna start spreading it. And honestly, I've found that if you stay away from these sides, this part over here, I think that it's better. I think it's better to just work on the forehead part, the part where you're going to be parting, but not where your ear tabs are going to be. Okay, now to set everything, you want to use a powder. And I like to use a powder that's slightly lighter just in case. And you're going to go on top of that just so that none of it moves. And I really like this combination because it blends mostly with my skin. Okay, now you're going to put that same energy into putting this on your wig. So what you want to do is wherever the lace is, that's where you want to put the powder. And it's just going to help everything look a little more natural and seamless without bleaching the knots. Yeah, you can tell the difference as you start to add. Don't add too much though, because you don't want it to give off a weird color. Okay, this wig that I'm going to be using today is so bomb, and it's from Eva Wigs, and they gifted this to me. This video is not sponsored, they just gifted it to me, and I am obsessed with this hairline, you guys. This hairline is, I'm really excited. This is a Rihanna inspired wig. This is a lace front wig, so let's just go ahead and test it and see what we got going. Now here's the part where you're going to see how far you want it to come down, how you want it to look and everything. And I don't like to cut my lace before I fit it on my head. I don't know, sometimes I just feel like I can get away with, look at how natural this hairline looks. No plucking, no nothing. This is exactly how I want it, so I'm gonna keep note of that and just make sure that I remember that this is where I wanted it to be. And good thing I have a lot of forehead space because it's easier for me to get away with with pulling my wig down a little farther because I have a lot of wig space. So let's see about over here. Just take you some clamps and kind of get all that hair out of the way so that we can actually customize and start working on it. So now I'm gonna pop this wig off, I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then we'll be right back. Make sure you do not use your hands when you're smoothing back this glue because it will not work out if you use your fingers. Okay, as you can see, this side is clearing up. So when it becomes clear and tacky, that's when you want to lay your wig down, and do not touch it with your fingers or you will have white residue for days, okay? So I'm gonna start with the top. Okay, you guys, I literally just laid this without showing you guys because I had to get up close in the mirror. I can't do that from far away. But basically, you will know how to lay it. Just don't touch it with your fingers. Okay, let's try this side. Laying your wig down. This is how my wig looks laid. That is with no bleaching, no nothing. That is just this wig. This is without any baby hairs. This is just its natural state. Before we customize it, I just want to show you guys how bomb it actually is. Okay guys, so I know it was a quick transition from me struggling with my wig to this right here because honestly, let me just tell you guys, I got so frustrated. I could not get everything how I wanted to. So basically, I just finished my baby hairs and I can't tell you guys how happy I am with it. Now, the key to getting this part to being flat is lots of water and using your hot comb kind of like simultaneously and just really working with it. And you kind of want to let your edges sit for a little bit longer than I did because pulling at your, hair right when you put it down kind of does make it lift. And I just noticed that it would have been easier if I had just taken my time. I was just trying to do a lot at once. So I didn't really do anything that you guys wouldn't know how to do or didn't already see except for my baby hairs and just really, really slicking the heck. So many people have been telling me that it looks like my real hair. So many people have been asking me, what wig is it? And I'm just so excited. I love that this is like my second time applying my own wig and it turned out just like this. Like, it really looks amazing to me, and shout out to Eva's Wigs for this bomb wig. Yeah, like this part over here I plucked so it could look more like scalp. The Ghost Blonde glue did last for a good 3 days before I had to start touching up my hair, but so far this is going to be one of my favorite wigs. And each day when I wake up, all I do is literally spray my hair and then comb through it and kind of scrunch it a little to give it some waves. But it's really natural loose waves, so you don't want, really textured or really structured waves. So it's literally the perfect, most easy wig because if you don't have time every day to fix your hair, you can literally wake up, run your fingers through it, and you'll have those natural curls still, and it's supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look kind of, just there. So this is a really easy wig for on the go. Lovely wig if this is the type of texture that you like, really nice, wavy, natural, very like hair-like, which is about to be my favorite type of texture. Like, if you guys could just understand my happiness right now, I'm living. I did get this in a 130 density. I feel like that's why it was so easy for me to just get this look very easily, like hair-like, because I didn't get a lot of hair, and the hair that was left out, it wasn't too bulky. So I just felt like everything was the right amount for it to look the most natural. If you'd like to see more of Eva's wigs on my channel, let me know and let them know. Go check them out. Use my coupon code. Everything will be down below. Also, make sure you follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. I really hope you guys have been enjoying the wig videos because I have so many more on the way. I have so many colored wigs on the way, and it's just about to really like be lit. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.